In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Klaviyo Embed form that capture and save all fields. This is a straightforward process, but it helps to move step by step so your form saves the information correctly and loads wherever you embed it. First, go to Sign Up Forms and then choose Create Form. This is where all of your Klaviyo form building starts. If you are already in your Klaviyo dashboard, you should be able to find the Sign Up Forms area in the main menu or the Marketing Tools section. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct workspace or account, because forms are tied to the account you are currently using. Next, create a new form by clicking Create Blank Form. Choosing a blank form is useful because it gives you a clean slate. You will not be constrained by a pre-made template. From there, you will be ready to decide how the form will be delivered on your site or landing page. Now select Embed. This setting tells Klaviyo that the form will be inserted into your website using an embed code. Look for the embed option in the form setup choices and make sure you choose it before continuing. This matters because the embed pathway produces the code you will copy later. After that, select your list. Your list is the audience or subscription group where the submitted data will be sent. If you have multiple lists, choose the one that matches what you are collecting. For example, if the form is for newsletter signups, select the newsletter list. If it is for a specific campaign segment, select the relevant segment list. This step ensures your submissions go to the right place. Then click Save and Design. This takes you into the Visual Builder, where you can add fields and configure how the form behaves. Make sure you see the form editor or design canvas after clicking this, because that confirms you are in the right place to build your fields. Next, click Add Blocks and add your required input fields. This is the core part of the setup. Add the fields you want to capture from visitors. For example, you might include inputs for first name, last name, or email, depending on what your form is meant to collect. As you add each input, check that the label and field type are correct. If you are aiming to save all fields, you want to ensure every field you add is included and properly configured in this builder. As you continue adding blocks, keep an eye on the form layout in the editor. Arrange the fields in a logical order so the user experience is smooth. Also, confirm that required fields are marked where appropriate, since that will influence how submissions are handled when someone submits the form. Once you have your fields added, click Publish. Publishing activates the form settings and prepares the form for embedding. If you do not publish, the embed code may not reflect your latest changes, so this is an important step before you copy the embed snippet. Finally, click Copy to copy the embed code. After you publish, Klaviyo will provide the embed code for your form. Use the copy option so the code is placed on your clipboard. You can then paste that code into your website where you want the form to appear. Make sure you paste it into the correct location on your page so the form loads properly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.